Hello there, this is Mrs. Cariotti from the Citizenship Academy in Syracuse, New York. Today what I wanted to work through is the resource that you see in front of you on the screen that I'm sharing. It's a fill-in-the-blank decodable sentences worksheet. Okay? As you can see at the top, the directions say, use the word bank below and context clues to determine the missing word in each sentence. So what we're going to do is, first things first, we're going to look at our word bank. And we're going to determine what each of the words in our word bank says. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my highlighter. And I'm going to highlight each word. So this first word, we know that CH, when they're paired up next to each other, it says ch. So we have ch, ips, ch, ips. What does that say? Blend those letter sounds together and tell me what they say. Ch, ips. If you said chips, you're correct. That does say chips. Okay, so we know that that first word says chips. Let's look at the next word we have here. Now remember, SH, when they're buddied up next to each other, SH says shh. So we have sh, op. Shop. What does that word say? Shop. Very good. Shop says shop. Moving right along, let's take a look at our next word. Ash. Ash. What does that say when you combine all of those letter sounds together? It says trash. Ash says trash. This next word, it says ish. Ish. What does that say? It does say fish. Well done. Okay, moving right along. Remember that CH says ch. So ch, in. What does that say? It says chin. Very good. And last word, before we get started with our activity, says sh, ip. Sh, ip. If you said ship, you are absolutely correct. That does say ship. So again, we have the word chips, shop, trash, fish, chin, and ship. Those are the words that we're going to use to fill in the sentences below. I'm going to do the first few with you, and then you're going to finish the rest on your own. So let's take a look at number 1. This one right here. We're going to go word by word, and we're going to try to determine what the sentence says. Did you see the blank on the water? Let's listen to that again. I want you to listen carefully to this sentence because I don't want you to be tricked. Did you see the blank on the water? So, I want you to think about some of the word choices that we have. We have chips, ship, trash, fish, chin, and ship. I want you to think for a minute. What word do you think fits in that blank? You might want to say the word fish. And here's why you might want to say fish. Because you heard water. But if you look really carefully and you listen really carefully to the sentence, it says on the water. Fish swim in the water, not on the water. So what is something that can go on the water? That's a word in our word bank. Remember, we have chips, shop, trash, fish, chin, and ship. What's something that can go on the water? If you said ship, you're absolutely correct. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write ship on the line. And I'm going to cross it out in our bank. So we know that we used it and we don't need to use it again. All right, let's look at number 2. This is the last one we're going to do together. Okay, number 2 says, I like to blank with my mom and dad. Let's listen to that one again. I like to blank with my mom and dad. Now remember, the word choices we have left are chips, shop, trash, fish, and chin. Which word fits in this blank? Does the word chips fit in this blank? Let's try it. I like to chips with my mom and dad. Does that make sense? No, that doesn't make sense. I want you to think about it again. Which word fits in that sentence? If you said the word shop, you're absolutely correct. I like to shop with my mom and dad. Now, as you can see, we have numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6. I want you to finish this worksheet and then send me a picture or send me a link to what you have done, okay? And I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.